Today, I'm hunting for pickup trucks that aren't just nice to look at, but actually useful in real life. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. 1991 Ford F-250 HD Long Bed. Price, $2,000. Location, Gaithersburg, MD. If you want heavy-duty capability at entry-level pricing, this truck makes a compelling case. The 1991 F-250 HD Long Bed represents the heart of the OBS era. Tough frames, simple mechanics, and serious payload potential. The long bed immediately signals functionality. This was built to haul, tow, and work. Design-wise, early 90s Ford trucks carry that squared-off confidence. Inside, it's straightforward and mechanical, less luxury, more durability. At $2,000, this sits firmly in entry-level heavy-duty territory. That price suggests either high mileage or cosmetic needs, but structurally solid examples at this range can be tremendous value. Long-term outlook? OBS heavy-duty trucks continue to gain appreciation. Clean, unmodified examples especially hold steady demand. Number 2. 1992 Ford F-250 XLT. Price, $4,500. Location, Princeton, West Virginia. This truck blends strength with comfort. The XLT trim elevates the F-250 beyond a bare work truck. Upgraded interior materials, improved trim, and better daily livability make it appealing for someone who wants capability without sacrificing comfort. At $4,500, this lands in the mid-range OBS heavy-duty segment. If rust is controlled and drivetrain healthy, this is reasonable pricing. This kind of truck works equally well as a dependable hauler or a clean preservation candidate for enthusiasts who appreciate early 90s Ford design. Number 3. 1993 Ford Ranger Super Cab 2-door. Price, $3,500. Location, Hagerstown, MD. Compact trucks are quietly becoming collector favorites. The 1993 Ranger offers something full-size trucks don't: maneuverability and efficiency. The smaller footprint makes it practical for urban use while still delivering genuine truck utility. The design is simple, clean, and unmistakably 90s Ford. Lightweight, mechanical, and easy to maintain. At $3,500, this sits in entry to mid-compact classic pricing. Clean Rangers are becoming harder to find, especially unmodified examples. Long-term value? Compact trucks from this era steadily gaining nostalgic appeal. Number 4. 1994 Ford F-150 Regular Cab Long Bed. Price, $2,800. Location, Van Buren Town, MI. This is working-class reliability in its purest form. A 1994 F-150 Regular Cab Long Bed is built for utility. The long bed gives real hauling capability. The regular cab keeps it simple and durable. At $2,800, this is strong entry-level OBS pricing. For buyers who want a dependable truck without stepping into diesel pricing, this makes sense. It's not flashy, but it's practical, and practicality often holds value. Number 5. 1994 F-250 Super Cab Long Bed. Price, $5,000. Location, Weirton, West Virginia. This truck balances heavy-duty strength with added passenger space. The Super Cab configuration increases usability. You gain interior flexibility without sacrificing the long bed functionality. At $5,000, this is solid mid-range OBS heavy-duty pricing. If well-maintained, it's positioned fairly in today's market. For someone needing work capacity plus family versatility, this configuration hits a sweet spot. Number 6. 1995 Ford F-150 XLT. Price, $4,000. Location, Cape May Courthouse, NJ. This truck represents the closing chapter of the OBS F-150 era. The XLT trim offers improved comfort, making it more daily driver-friendly. The 6.5-foot bed provides balanced proportions, not oversized, not cramped. At $4,000, this falls into mid-level OBS pricing. Clean, late OBS models are increasingly respected as the final generation before major redesign. Long-term, preserved examples could continue appreciating gradually. Number 7. 1989 Ford F-150 Short Bed. Price $1,500. Location: China Grove, NC. Short bed configurations always attract attention. The 1989 F-150 short bed carries late 80s character with a slightly sportier stance compared to long bed work trucks. At $1,500, this is project-level entry pricing. Expect cosmetic work, possibly mechanical refresh, but the short bed layout increases desirability. For enthusiasts who enjoy restoration, this could be an affordable starting point. Number 8. 1999 Ford F-350 Super Cab Long Bed. Price $4,000. Location: Blackwood, NJ. Late 90s F-350 Super Cab trucks are built for serious tasks. The heavier chassis, larger brakes, and increased towing capacity make this platform ideal for work applications. At $4,000, this is strong value heavy-duty pricing, assuming structural integrity is solid. This isn't about style, it's about capability. Number 9. 1986 Ford F-150 Long Bed. Price $2,000. Location: Harrisburg, PA. The mid-80s F-150 carries that bullnose identity: square lines, mechanical simplicity, honest engineering. At $2,000, this sits firmly in entry-level vintage territory. These trucks are becoming increasingly appreciated by collectors who value originality. Number 10. 1979 Ford F-150 Long Bed. Price $3,600. Location: Federalsburg, MD. This is where heritage truly begins. The 1979 F-150 comes from one of Ford's most iconic truck generations. Late 70s design carries strong collector appeal. At $3,600, this falls into affordable classic category. If structurally solid, this is attractive pricing for a true vintage platform. These trucks have proven long-term collector potential. Number 11. 1990 Ford Ranger XLT. Price $2,700. Location: Dover, NJ. Compact and efficient, the Ranger XLT offers practicality in a smaller footprint. At $2,700, this is accessible entry-level compact pricing, great for daily driving or light-duty tasks. Rangers continue gaining nostalgic value among younger collectors. Number 12. 1995 Ford F-150 XLT. Price $2,500. Location: Somerdale, NJ. An 8-foot bed configuration emphasizes utility. At $2,500, this is strong budget OBS territory. For buyers needing real bed space at minimal cost, this is practical value. Number 13. 2002 Ford F-350 Lariat. Price $3,500. Location: Media, PA. Heavy-duty comfort. The Lariat trim brings upgraded interior refinement to a serious work platform. At $3,500, this is aggressive heavy-duty pricing. Condition will define value, but potential usability is high. Number 14. 2004 Ford Expedition Eddie Bauer. Price $3,000. Location: East Quogue, NY. While not a pickup, this truck-based SUV shares heavy-duty roots. Eddie Bauer trim adds premium interior touches. At $3,000, it represents budget full-size SUV value. Practical for families needing towing capacity with passenger comfort. Number 15. 2008 Ford Ranger XLT. Price $1,234. Location Lancaster, MA. A late model Ranger at $1,234 is firmly budget entry pricing. Compact, efficient, and easy to maintain, this could be a practical low-cost work truck. Late Rangers are gaining appreciation as smaller trucks become rare in today's oversized market.
If this video helped you get closer to the right truck, hit the like button so more people can find content like this. And don't forget to subscribe. On this channel, we break down real listings, real prices, and real vehicles so you can buy smarter, not harder. Whenever there's something new and useful, I'll bring it straight to this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.